Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another Bitcoin update. My name is Akash. You can follow me on Twitter at Mangeho with the zero at the end. If you click this link in my bio, it'll take you to my YouTube channel. And please make sure to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you don't miss out on time-sensitive content like the Zilliqa trade that I took. Right. So yeah, let's take a look at Bitcoin. Right? Before we actually get into that, right? The FOMC was really hyped. At least for me, it was a really good event that kind of would bring a lot of volatility, right? I expected the price to go up probably up to 40K, 42K, but in between my long setup, like I kind of posted an update on Twitter that I'm going to be closing my trade because I kind of feel like I had this bad feeling that the price was going to reverse and it would catch everybody off guard, and that's why I closed my trade, which was a really good thing because Bitcoin started crashing after the FOMC meeting. And on the weekend, there was a USD Luna kind of depeg that took place, which caused the market to crash even further because on the weekends there's a lot less liquidity. So yeah, that's what happened on May 5th and 6th. I'm going to be doing a more detailed update for this probably in this week. Uh, but apart from that, right, like I posted a tweet on May 9th where I said that we had a weekly close below this important level here, right? For me, 34,752 and 52,000 have been like two important markers which denote the start of a bull run and start of a bear market, right? So if you get a weekly close of 52K, I've been telling you this, that this it would be start of a bull run, in which case I would wait for a dip, a higher low, and then buy there and ride the wave. Basically, that was my plan, right? And if we get a weekly close below 34,752, I would expect the price to go to 30K, probably sub 30K, and collect liquidity resting below these lows over here, right? And on May 9th, that happened. We got a weekly close below 34,752, and then I mentioned see you guys at 30K or lower. Today, yep, we reached sub 30K. If you look at this particular candlestick here, we've set a low at 29,720, at least on FTX, right? So what's happening right now is a relief rally, which is probably going to head up to 34,752 if we're kind of extremely lucky. We are going to get a retest of this level here, and then boom, another drop, collect liquidity resting below these equal lows formed between May and July 2021, right? So let's take a look at it from a lower time frame, just to show you guys what's happening. So this is I'm kind of scalping right now. Like on the 1 hour time frame, I saw this bullish divergence where the price was forming a lower low and the RSI was forming a higher low. So I kind of started long scalping Bitcoin from somewhere around here, and things are looking pretty good here on the 10-minute chart, right? I expected after setting a high over here, I expected the price to come around to 70.5 retracement level here. That's happened so far. Like I'm not trading Bitcoin, I'm not scalping Bitcoin per se. I'm using Bitcoin to kind of scalp a lot of altcoins, right? I mean, if regardless of where the altcoin is, where the resistance levels for altcoins are on a 5-minute time frame or 10-minute time frame, I just wait for Bitcoin to hit a really good buy level, and then I know that Bitcoin price is going to go up, right? So if Bitcoin price goes up, I'm expecting altcoins to go up as well. So when Bitcoin hits my buy level, I long scalp a lot of altcoins. So that has been my plan so far, and it's working out pretty good. Uh, so yeah, right now what I'm expecting is the price to move higher and collect liquidity resting above these highs over here and here. So roughly around 33K is what I'm expecting the price to do. But like I mentioned, right, 34. Let me just outline. Right, so these are the two important resistance level that I'm kind of looking at right now, 34,752 and 35,755. So that is one thing, right? I don't expect the price to go beyond this level and like go up to this weekly support level here at 37. I don't see that happening anytime soon, right? So for now, what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to be using my fib extensions here. Uh, use like if the rally has broken market structure, produced a higher high basically. If the rally has produced a higher high, I use my fib tool. I wait for the price to come down to 70.5 long altcoins when it does that, or long Bitcoin for that matter, and wait for the price to reach the range high. But if not range high, and if you want to play, if you feel like the momentum is pretty good, right, what you can do is you can wait for the price to go up to minus 0.27 retracement level here and minus 0.62, right? You can take profits at any of these levels here, 1, 2, and 3, right? That's exactly what I'm doing, and that's what I'm going to be doing for quite some time. So yeah, but again, right, scalping is it's going to take a lot of time. You have to be glued to your computer screens, laptop, whatever. So yeah, that is pretty much it, guys. I'm not biased right now. I don't have a directional bias on where Bitcoin is going to go, where Bitcoin's not going to go, right? The only thing I'm expecting is a lot of buyers to kind of start accumulating after collecting the liquidity around 29,100, right? And the main reason for that is, again, like I mentioned, because obviously there's a lot of sell stops present here between May and July, and also, as you can see here, the sell stops below these lows were virtually untapped, right? So that is the reason why I'm expecting to kind of go long, uber long for Bitcoin here, probably open a swing position somewhere around this level. So that's my first plan. And the second plan is second plan. I mean, the second reason why I expect the price to kind of show a strong bounce here is mainly because of the MicroStrategy average buy price levels, right? So these are the levels that MicroStrategy has bought, and as you can see here, the first bounce is actually happening as exactly after retesting the support level here. On the support level, but the MicroStrategy average buy price, which is currently hovering around 30,200, right? So yeah, something like this is what I'm expecting for the price to do. So let's wait and see how things evolve. There's no need to catch the knife. There's no need to shitpost on Twitter and like claim clout. So I think right now what I would do is basically I would just sit back, relax, scalp, because right now a lot of people are trying to catch the knife, try to time the bottom, which is causing a lot of altcoins to like rally very quickly. But as you can see here, earlier today, like some of these coins were rallying 15, 16%, and now SHIB seems to be taking the lead here, and it's rallied roughly 24%. So let's quickly take a look at SHIB as well. Yep, so a perfect bounce off of the support level here at 135. I don't know where that level comes from. I'm not sure when I drew that. Yep, so either way, guys, I think you just wait for Bitcoin to be in a really good position. And then if you are experienced enough, you could probably long altcoins like I'm doing right now. So that is pretty much it for today's analysis, guys. If you enjoyed this session, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any doubts, comments, feedbacks, that kind of stuff, make sure to tweet at me on Twitter at Mangeko with a zero at the end. Have a great day. Peace.